Uh. Hello, model 6. Hello, model 15. Hello, Lamborghini. Hello, top missing. Deal. That shit looks like toothpaste. I get what you're getting. Hey, lady, love me. I'm on my cool J. What I get, what would you say? She sucked my penis. Mr. Miyagi. And the suicide doors, hard guard. Get me now. Oh. Get me now. Oh. I'm getting money. Look at me now. Oh. Me now. Yeah. Bigger than a motherfucker. Little nigga bigger than a girl, cause I'm attacking every nigga that tries to be on my shit. Better cut a chick if you with it, cause I can get ass and stuff on my penis. That's it, on my penis. I really mean to say on my penis, but since we're talking about my penis, all you haters say hi to it. My penis is done. Not really done though. That's the only doing that thing, homie. Yeah. Huh. Let's go. So I'm feeling like running and I get away, and you know that I won't stop. So I win. Cause I'm gonna get popped and I'm gonna get flopped. Cause I'm a little cocky, so you're not gonna stop me. Every time I come in, nigga gotta set it, then I own that I gotta get it, then I gotta blow 'em, then I gotta try to any little thing and nigga be doing, cause it is an act, then I'm gonna murder everything and anything about a boom, about a big I gotta do about it, make clear, 2 cup of niggas that I'm always winning, then I gotta get it again and again. I be doing this to death and I'm moving to the town, nigga better call reppin' if you know it's time and niggas on the best when it comes to doing this, and I'm banging on my chest, and I'm banging in the east, and I'm banging in the west, and I come to give you more, and I'm never giving less, you can hear it in the streets, you get ready in the press, you really wanna know what's next, let's go. Part. Have it, look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Yeah, I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Yeah. Then motherfucker. Man, fuck these bitches that how y'all doing? I'm on new shit. I go stupid. I go dumb like the Three Stooges. I don't eat sushi. I'm the up on pollution. No substitution. Got the bitch I play and move in my jacuzzi. Pussy. Yeah. Never give a fuck about the hater getting money for the. You can stop now. 1 second, I'll be right back. What? And then he... Did you get...